guys, welcome back to my channel Mix Manai Journey. I hope everybody is doing good. Kadugo beta mesanang pusilini link thelo. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how a karbi traditional penny pekok is worn. So how do we wear it? So should we wear it on the right side or should we wear it on the left side? कभी-कभी confuse हो जाता है, but अब ये वीडियो में आप लोगों से क्लियर कर देती हूँ. तो let's get started. This is a piece of hand-woven cloth wrapper called Peni. First, it should be covered towards our left waist and wrap it or end it by wrapping on the right side. And the first step is done. And this piece of woven belt is called pekok. This should be tied around the penny. First, make the length of the pekok a bit shorter. And later tie it tight with equal length of the lace. So that when you walk around, it becomes easier. When the pekok is too long, it becomes difficult. So it's nice to see and good to see, and you can also use a safety pin if you want. And this one, just adjust it in this way. And here comes my daughter. And this piece of cloth is for the upper cover. And the entangled side should be placed on the right side of one shoulder, and this side is opened, and it's done. Last but not the least, you can use this bronze pin or safety pin to place it on your left side. This is very simple. It's very quick and easy. Anybody can wear it. और देखो मैं क्या क्या पोस्ट बना रही हूँ. Sarang hai, love. What all else I learned from Instagram. I'm just showcasing it here. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please make sure to give a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Trong xin ang litong laso video ning dog plote, share ignon lapen pini ke laso video long ke pini pe kokoson se ke ching thang ma punili nang pa clear dak lo la si pu thot video long le chitong tutolo na. Do me thak me, bye bye.